power is very, very sensitive. Power cannot be interrupted. So you must be very careful with your power. So when he touches me here, you see here, this power gets jammed. It does not like that. And can you see? Power is here, here, here. It has to go over him, and if it goes too far, too far, it's lost. Too close, it jams. It has to see, can you see that space there? So power is described as not on your body, not outside of your body. Now do you understand where power must be? Do you know where?
In space.
Pardon me?
In space.
Space is outside of your body. Where is power?
Not on your body, not outside of your body.
Yeah, and where is that space placed? No. Yes.
The space between.
And
Surface.
where is that?
Surface. Skin.
At the end.
That place is for Earth, the orbit. Outside of the orbit is deep space. Inside the orbit, it's pulled back onto Earth. So the relationship between Earth and outside, there's a layer. That layer is orbit. It's suspended in free traveling, independent of Earth, but not away from Earth. It's part of Earth. But Earth does not pull it anymore. Your body has that position. And that position is very, very special. Once you're there, your opponent is dead, because your opponent cannot feel your move anymore. Too close he can feel, too far he can feel. Because too far he feels you're gone. You're not part of him anymore.
There's a middle way?
Huh?
There's a middle way?
It's the orbit. I'll show you the feeling right here. Too close, too far. Right here,
Right.
you think there is nothing you can do. When I go into that, it can be anywhere, right? Too close. You feel that here? Too far. See that spot, you have no power. So immediately, when you see that spot, you have no power. So the training sets you to that place. You see this here? Too far.
Right.
Too close.
Right.
See that place? That's why I say it's like take your shirt off. Before you take it off, it's still part of you.
Right.
But it's not on you anymore. But your shirt is not here. Now you understand? It's not off. Although it's not touching you, it's not off. But off means I take it off, I hold it in here.
Right,
It's not
right.
part of the body. This is not, and it is. So that's the space. So our movement, you see here, it's right here. So on here, you grab me and you push here. So hold it. See, this is too close. This is too far. It's this spot. You have no power. Hold. No, that's fine. Go like this. Hold it with 2 hands. Here. So lower. Give me this tip. A little bit more. Hold here. So this does not move. Okay. And come here. Hold it. That's it. Stay there. Hold it. Don't move. Okay. Every time, all our actions are like this. Okay. Watch. That's the spot. Without that stretch, all our actions are here. You will never understand what this means. Because, so go forward, move. This is 30 years. All right. Now don't move. This is the trick. That spot, without that stretch, without that lock, without this lock, you never find that spot. Now do you understand? So this is the method of finding that spot. If you think it's somewhere, it's like a dot, you can find it, you cannot find it. It's whatever it is here, you're too short. You're still too short. You're still too short. But no move. Can you see? Now you find that? So in with elbow. So grab my hand. 2 hands to feel. Yeah, stay with your hand. Okay? Too short. Watch. Can you feel that? Can you feel that? That's How big do you think that stretch is? You can't describe it. It's smaller than 1/10 of an inch, right? But no stretch. But see, there's a stretch. Without that stretch, your elbow can never find that spot to anchor onto. And going opposite, that in here, never works. No move, it anchors. You do not know that. See, watch, when I'm pushing, can you see that? But if I move here, I can never find it. Because this does not move, that stretch is long enough to find that spot. Never stretch. This is where, can you see, use here, I can use here, I can use anything. Stretch here against here. Can you see that? Otherwise, there's no stretch. And I can stretch inward. Here, I find a spot, stretch inward. Can you feel that stretch? Creates a compression. Otherwise, we're doing this again. That's a compression. Can be anything, right? Here. When he does that here, I go with him, go with him, go with him. He does not move anymore. At that point, I give him a little bit.
So every stretch has an anchor?
Without an anchor, it's not a stretch.
From
If you
that
don't
anchor,
tie that on it,
Right.
there's no stretch.
So from that anchor, then you
Yeah.
get
You
stretch.
see here? Anchor it, don't move. When you feel I do this here, do whatever else you want to me. No.
Oh.
Else, not here. Whatever else, you see, that's a stretch.
I get it. Okay.
Without this, whatever you do to me, and see, do this, you see, it's not a stretch.
There's no anchor.
There's no anchor here. But see, look, that's an
Right.
anchor. So that's why I put my foot there. If my foot is not there, there's no anchor. But see, look, it's an anchor.
Right. So the anchor can be anywhere.
It can be anywhere, it can be anything. Learning is learn this move until it works. It's not learning how the other guy does. When you think you know how the other guy does it, you think you're smart, you haven't learned it yet. The learning is I don't care what the other guy is. I go through this here. This is my move. Stretch, pull, and don't deviate. Do you understand that? No theory. The theory has to be simple. You cannot reverse it. When you reverse it, it's against the law. You will be in jail. This is a real example. You don't understand what I'm saying.